In this segment of the video is sponsored. It is sponsored by Sufdari. I'm going to include all of their information down in that description box, along with my item link and my discount code. Now, Sufdari does sell on Amazon. Now, they do chair covers. If you followed me for any length of time, you do know that I do love chair covers. It allows you to change the style and the look of a space without spending a bunch of money buying extra items. So I decided to take it a little further and try it on my dining room chair. So I'm so glad that Sufdari reached out to me. Now you guys, they do sell on Amazon as well. All of that information is in the description. Now I've taken my package out of the box it came in, but my package came like this, and I did order the 6-piece, you guys, for this video. Now I've taken one out of the pack and I'm just going to let you see it, and this is what it looks like. Yes, you can tell this is the back. Look at the elastic and the weight, the stretch on it, and this is the seat portion. So I'm going to show you us installing these on those dining room chairs. As you can see, you guys, here's my dining room table and chairs, and I'm going to be changing out for this video the 4 side chairs, which is those 2 here and those 2 over there. Now that I have my chairs pulled out, you guys, when you are doing your measurement for your chairs, and you guys, they do come in 2 pieces, 4 pieces, and 6 pieces. But you have to do proper measurements so that you can get the right size. They do come in, you guys, a total of about 20 different colors and styles, so make sure you do check them out. And as you can see, my chairs, my paint is fading, because once I painted the chairs, you guys, I painted it. I didn't sand anything down, I just painted it straight over, but I did not put any polyacrylic on it or polyurethane, preferably polyacrylic, so it can stain it to keep this from happening, which is the reason I chose to do the chair covers. I have to do measurements, so you do have to measure the top of your chairs, and it will show you on their website and on Amazon the type of chairs that these chair covers will work for. And it does work for a lot of different style chairs. But you measure your top width, your medium width, you measure the side width, you measure the front width, you measure the thickness, and you also measure this thickness to give you the accurate measurement for your chairs. Now you guys, these chair covers are soft, durable. They're very soft, you guys. They're soft and durable. As you can see, I did have one out. I have had that one on that chair since I did get them in. And we are actually enjoying it. Alright, and I have taken out my pieces that I used, but once again, they are soft and durable. And you guys, look at their elastic. And like I say, look at that stretch. So, and this is a simple fix, you guys, on how you actually put them on the chairs. They are gorgeous. Do make sure you do check out their website. I am so excited about the new look of the chairs. Make sure you guys do go over and check out Sufdari. All of their information is down in that description. And you guys, thanks. We're gonna jump right back into the regular scheduled video.